Hello, my people. Hope you guys are doing good. And if you are not here, this is Queen Maggie, and usually talk about everything that can make you happy, your body, your mind, your finances, care. And today, I would like to cook with you. So let's have fun. So guys, this here is my favorite sauce. Indeed, today is Friday and I wanna enjoy my Friday night with some of decent fufu and some wine. So I love to put everything in this sauce. I love to put everything. Unfortunately, I didn't find the crab today, but I do have my fish and my beef skin. Yeah, we love this in Africa. We love this. We call it akpama. And I have my cheese from Walmart. They taste almost as the same as African cheese, so that's the best cheese ever. And I have my trim from Walmart as well, and this is my egusi, and I made it myself with some garlic, ginger, basil, everything. And that's that's what gives the smell. We call it sumi. Red palm oil. So that's all, guys. Let's get to it. So guys, I cut everything in a small part, the fish and the cheese, and like you see, I'm frying them. So guys, I already fried my fish and my cheese, and now I'm about to do the egusi. Is from Africa, and I will show you. I don't know how they call it in English though. We call it in French sesame. Yes, my green is boiling almost. So guys, I'm gonna draw up the tomato I previously smashed with pepper, and then add some baking soda to just decrease the sourness of the tomato, because I always feel like if you don't do that after you're done preparing your sauce, it feels like it's too salty, but it wasn't that. It was the sourness of the tomato. So you're gonna let it boil for at least 15 minutes to let the water dries up, so that way you can make a stew later on. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to make this. Get as much as you want. So this, you gotta find it at African market. It's called egusi. It's from Ghana, if I'm right. Always use the white part of the eggs. I don't know why I don't use the yellow part, but that's what my mama teach me. And they use the eggs to just like make the egusi solid in the sauce. I'm telling you guys, this is really tasty. It's really good. So after you put your eggs, you gonna season your egusi. Make sure you season it well. You can use ginger and garlic and whatever you want to use, and some salt, a little bit, and then you mix everything. Some people usually put water, they add water, but for myself, I don't think it's necessary. I just like do it like that because I want it to be solid in the sauce. I don't want it to, like, after I try to mix everything up, I don't want it to fall apart and spray in all the sauce. I want some solid part in the sauce, so that's why I don't put water. So guys, this is not a mandatory, you use it when you have it. If you don't have it, it's totally fine. So now I'm gonna add my oil and let it rest for about 5 minutes. So after you add the oil, you let everything boil for at least 5 minutes. We want the tomato to become a stew, and you add your season your sauce with all the spice you want, and it's the same process. I use the same thing, and that's it. You mix them all up, and then you let your sauce boil for again 15 minutes. I take my time because the more your tomato is really make like stew, the more your sauce will taste good. So then I add my egusi. I drop them in like you are making donuts. This is so fun. Try to not mix them up. Try to take a big amounts. Yes, that way, even though you are turning everything up, it won't like fall apart entirely. Yeah, and after you do that, you need to make sure that you let it cook really well. You let it boil. It's really important to let it really boiled, because if it's not well done, you can have some problem with your stomach after. So guys, after my egusi was cooked well done, I mixed everything up. I put my cheese and fish, and then I add the grains and I mix them up. Gonna go ahead and put the diced onion and the four pepper in it. These have to come at last because we don't want the onion to be too cooked. And then you mist always, and you let it rest. Ooh, look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Look at the shrimp. Oh la la, Allah, African food is big. So guys, that's the final result. Woo! Friday. Then you get a yummy. Then you get a yummy. Thanks for watching.